Okay.
As unbelievable as it sounds, scientists now think he's actually homing in on the magnetic field of the planet, using it to calculate and plot his trajectory. The kind of math missiles use to hit their targets. Just the slightest distraction can throw him off. But if he's got the North Pole in his sights, he's guaranteed a meal every 75% of the time. The length of winter has become impossible to measure. Summer now just a vague memory that's grown cold. But just as it seems the time has stopped completely, the sound of life returns. Snow geese are the first wave of invasion into winter.
Smoke.
Optimistic
What
millions
is
head
that?
north across the plains.
What is that? Some geese?
Just outside Kansas City.
Oh,
Those at the tip of the spear find this lake